wonder who that could be. Hello? Sylvia, hi, how's it going, Sylvia? Your daughter? Watch her tonight? Well, I guess I can make the exception. Send her right over. All right.
Ding dong.
Oh, that was fast.
Hello.
Oh, you must be Sylvia's daughter.
Yep.
What's your name?
Denny, but people call me Creepy Denny. Hi, that's what's happening.
Okay, Creepy Denny. Watch TV. I'm gonna go clean up.
Okay.
Hey, what? What was that noise? Are you all right?
Yeah, I just tripped with that thingy right there.
All right. Oh, these curtains. All right. Well, just be careful.
Okay.
All right. Goodbye.
I broke her vase. Oh my god, I broke her vase. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm gonna watch some TV and I don't think
Denny, I heard a noise. What was that noise?
Nothing, just TV.
Wait,
TV.
hey,
what?
what's that? What's this back there? Oh! You broke the vase my mother gave me on her deathbed!
No, I did not. I think I did. No, I didn't.
Denny! I'm too upset. I have to go meditate.
Oh God, how dare he attack me like that? I'm gonna annoy him so his head pops out. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Hello.
Hey, I tried calling your mom, but she didn't answer. Did she have like a... Hey,
The plan is working. 5 months later, Denny's mom still hasn't come for her.
So, Denny, I'm really getting concerned. I can't find your mom. I mean, you know, it's all right you're staying here, but...
I got something to say.
What do you have to say, Denny?
Poker face, poker face. Yes, the plan works. The end.